Welcome back, football fans. Today, we witnessed an electrifying showdown between the Dallas Cowboys and the Carolina Panthers. This game had all the makings of an instant classic. From the opening kick, the Cowboys came out swinging. Quarterback Dak Prescott ignited the offense with precision passes and his dynamic playmaking ability. But the Panthers were not about to be stifled. Their defense showed up in full force, shutting down the Cowboys' run game and putting pressure on Prescott. In the first half, both teams traded blows, with each finding the end zone multiple times. The scoreboard was a reflection of their relentless efforts to outplay one another. On the defensive side, the Cowboys' linebackers showcased their speed and strength, making crucial tackles and preventing big gains. The Panthers' secondary, on the other hand, displayed excellent coverage skills, intercepting passes and frustrating the Cowboys' receivers. As the game progressed, the intensity grew. Neither team was willing to back down. Each possession became a battle for dominance on the field. In the final minutes, with the score tied, it all came down to one play. In a miraculous move, Prescott connected with his star receiver for a touchdown. Cowboys fans erupted in celebration while the Panthers were left stunned. In the end, it was a nail-biting victory for the Dallas Cowboys. The outcome may have favored them, but both teams displayed incredible tenacity and skill throughout the game. This was a matchup for the ages. Thank you for tuning into our game highlights and analysis. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest football action. Until next time, keep cheering and supporting your favorite teams. Thanks for watching.